In this video, I'll show you most effective and most common ready fixes for low GPU usage in games. So let's get started. Go to search menu and type Nvidia control panel. Click on open it. Go to manage 3D settings and find power management mode. Power management mode, click on the drop down and select prefer maximum performance. Now find texture filtering. Texture filtering quality, set this to high performance and select apply to save changes. Then restart your game. Why it's work? Because your GPU stops downclocking and stays at full performance. If this doesn't fix your problem, then go to search menu and type choose power plan. Click on open the choose your power plan. Select the show additional plans. If you doesn't have ultimate performance in this list, then go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy the command and paste it in. Just right click on the tab and select edit and paste it and press enter. Now the ultimate performance list has been added. Just close off here and go back to control panel. Just reload this page. Just go back and go to power options. Now you can able to see the ultimate performance in this show additional plans. Select the ultimate performance. Provides ultimate performance on higher end PCs. If this doesn't fix your problem, method 3, this is a common Reddit fix for mid-range PCs. Go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it and go to gaming and select the game R and turn off the game power and go back to gaming and game mode. Turn off the game mode. Many users report highest GPU load and smoother frames. Method 4, Reddit users say this fixes a huge number of low GPU issues. Go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it and expand the display adapter section. And this is your graphics card name. Just note down. Then open the Chrome and search your brand and driver download and select the first official site. Select the GPU in this list and select find option. Now you will get the driver. This is the latest driver as you can see. Install the latest drivers first. Select the view option and select the download option. After the download and install it. For the user who has problem after updating the graphics card, then you just need to go back to this page. Just scroll down and go to view more versions and just go back to the previous version just 3 to 4 months before and then select the view option in game ready driver. Select the download option and download this previous version guys. So sometimes a newer drivers cause GPU underutilization. Method 5, move the game to an SSD. This helps for open world games. So just right click on the taskbar and select task manager and go to performance. And in here you can able to see your drive listed. In my case C drive. Select the drive and in type you can able to see it is SSD or HDD. If in our case the drive is HDD where the game is installed, in my case C drive, I install all the games in it, so I have no issues. If you have any extra drive that has HDD, then you just need to move the game to the SSD drive guys. Seeing this in the type you can able to find it. Moving the game to an SSD resolves loading bottlenecks and boost GPU usage. These are best Reddit proven fixes for low GPU usage in 2025. Try them one by one. Most users get instant improvement. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.